Today we're making garlic butter chicken wings. Crispy outside, juicy inside, and full of buttery garlic flavor. It's rich, simple, and works for almost any occasion. A cozy family dinner, a crowd-pleasing party snack, or even a game day treat with drinks. Let's get started. Pat the chicken wings dry. Add minced garlic, salt, pepper, honey, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, and cornstarch. Mix and massage the wings for about 2 minutes until every piece is well coated. Then let them marinate for 20 minutes to soak up all the flavor. While waiting, mix 3 parts of cake flour with 1 part of cornstarch. Mix well, then coat each marinated wing evenly in the flour mixture. Shake off any excess and lay them flat to rest for 10 minutes. This helps the coating stick better. Prepare minced garlic and butter for later. Pour in enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. Once the oil is hot, reduce to low heat and gently pan-fry the wings until both sides are golden brown. I let each side cook for roughly 4 minutes. If you're not sure the wings are cooked through, poke the thickest part with a chopstick. If no blood comes out, that means they are done. Remove the wings and set aside. Clean the pan, then melt the butter over low heat. Butter burns easily, so don't rush this step. When it starts to melt, add the minced garlic and gently saute until it turns light golden. Add the wings back in and stir for about 30 seconds, making sure every piece is coated with that fragrant garlic butter. And that's it. Your garlic butter chicken wings are ready to serve. This dish is so simple to make, but it looks and tastes amazing. It'll make you feel like a Michelin chef in your own kitchen. I highly recommend giving it a try. And if you do, come back and tell me how you liked it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.